In this video, I want to show you how to remove passenger airbag for Mercedes W124 in order to have access to the bolt that is holding this air vent in place. And in order to do that, we need to first disconnect the battery because this airbag is still active. We need to disable him, and then we need to undo it, remove it completely, and we will see the bolt. So let's proceed by disconnecting. After battery is disconnected, I still want to make sure that there are no current in the system. I try to turn on the light, but nothing works. Also try to turn on the radio. Looks good. And still, to make sure, I will wait half an hour and then proceed with undoing the airbag. To undo this airbag, you need 10mm with some extender in order to reach out to the bolt that is hidden inside of this hole. Safety first. And this is the bolt that is holding this airbag. I placed one empty box here so I can lay down the airbag, and I took this trim removal tool. It helps with removing the airbag. And now I just wiggle it out. And it's out. You see here how box helps. And now we need to undo these two clips. I use flat screwdriver, and now you have also access to this bolt for air vents. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps. In order to put this back, you just do reverse steps. So put this connections in, put the airbag in, put the bolt in, and then of course connect the battery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.